inferior. We are at par or even better than other peer banks also. NPAs have given a small amount of hit. Around 1945 crores have been slipped to NPA. 630 crores provision has been done. Small accounts, we have been able to control and monitor the small accounts. We had a hit in 5 major accounts, that was 1245 crores. But again, we are very dynamic as far as the CASA is concerned. We are reducing our cost of funds. Our NIM will improve in the next quarter. And we are pretty sure that we had been asset quality conscious. We have not increased our loan portfolio at random. We have been very specific. We have shed all the short-term corporate loans which were unsecured. We have shed all the bulk deposits also have been shed by us. So we are very particular. We are very conscious, and I'm sure this quarter, the next quarter will be much better as compared to the previous quarter. Growth is not so important in today's industry. The NIM, the NPA, your productivity per employee, they are very important. Business I can increase at any amount at any point of time. That is not a big issue. Once I accept a high cost deposit, I lend in the short term corporate loans, I can increase my business. But I don't want to do that. I'm asset quality conscious. I want to increase the business with good retail business. I want to increase MSME, I want to increase agriculture, priority sector, all these areas rather than the bulk advances. Similarly, my emphasis is on the current CASA and the current and the saving fund account. We have launched number of saving fund products you may be knowing. One is the Canara Suraksha Freedom, wherein we are giving an insurance policy and accepting an account. Last week I was in Delhi. Then central schools accounts, we are opening 2 lakh accounts. Kendriya Sangathan accounts we are opening. 2 lakh accounts of the students, 10 lakh accounts of the parents. All these saving fund business of more than 1,000 crores will come to the Canara Bank. So our emphasis is on the CASA rather than on the big ticket deposit as such. Home loan portfolio is increasing. We are giving incentives like documentation charges or festival season bonanza we are giving, and we are sure home loan will also increase.